So here we have the Ford Ecosport on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see that it's got tinted windows and those black alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot and work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space as well. Now you can, as you can see from that right hand seat, fold the seats completely over to give you a flat boot all the way through to the back of the front seats. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, going to start with the dials. Over on the left hand side we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer on the right hand side, in the middle at the bottom the fuel gauge for the car, and then above that the main trip computer, which as you can see at the moment has got your miles per gallon. That's the total miles of the car, 80,184. Every push of a button at the end of the indicator stalk will give you a new piece of trip computer information back around to the beginning again. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we have stereo and phone controls, and on the right hand side we have the cruise control for the car. In the centre you'll find the main screen for the stereo just here, and of course the stereo beneath it that you saw just a moment ago. When it comes to radio in this car, we've got FM, which you can see being displayed now, but we've also got DAB and AM available as well. Every push of the radio button will take you round in a circle back to a new frequency, and that is exactly where we started at just a moment ago. When you want to listen to your own music, you can do so via the CD player just here. We've also got the ability to stream our music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, as you can see, and we've got auxiliary input and USB input as well. Of course, you can pair your phone in order that you can use Bluetooth audio. Press the phone button on the stereo, and then you can add. As you can see, we are going to close that for now, and you do so using these four buttons just here. We've got deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors from outside, and the main volume for the stereo is just there. Beneath that, we have the climate control, so you can adjust the fan speed, you can adjust the temperature, the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set just here. Or hit auto. The car will now maintain that temperature by taking control of the direction of the air and the fan speed for you. You can override that manually whenever you wish to. You'll see auto has now gone off. You can put it back on your own settings here. We've also got a heated driver's seat with 2 heat settings, and the same for the passenger side as well. Some storage just here. A 5-speed manual gearbox, and then a 12-volt charging socket along with auxiliary and USB inputs. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.